This is a complete beginner guide to Snapchat in 2025. So first thing that you need to do is make sure that Snapchat is installed on your phone, which you can do through your app store. Simply get to your app store and search for Snapchat and download it like that. So after the download process has been completed, you can open your Snapchat. Then you'll get two different options of logging in or sign up. If you do have an account, you can tap on login and put down your credentials and log in like that. If you do not have your account, then tap on sign up and then go along with the process of how you can create your Snapchat. So after doing that, what you can do is simply log into your Snapchat just like this. Here you can see I'm logging into my Snapchat. So in here, if you want to send a snap to any of your friends, you can simply open your camera just like this. The first thing that you'll see is your camera. Tap on the circle right here, and just like this you can tap on send to and send this snap to any of your friends. So in here we also have a lot of different filters that you can use. So in here, if you swipe to left, here you can see these are all of the trending filters that Snapchat is recommending you. So in here, if you tap on this face-like icon right here, you can now search for every Snapchat effect that we have. If you tap on this search icon right here, you can now search for the exact filter or effect that you want. So for example, I want a green screen. Now I can simply search for green screen, and in here you can see there are multiple green screen effects I can choose from. So these are for the Snapchat filters and effect. If you tap on the option memories right here, you'll be able to see all of your Snapchat memories in here. You can also get the option of my eyes only. If you tap on that one, you can now set up my eyes only and set up a password where you can store any of the videos or photos that you want, which won't be visible to anyone unless they know the passcode. So after doing that, if you simply tap on the search icon right here, now you'll be able to search for any friends that you want and simply add in them. So in here, if you tap on the bell icon, you will get all of your account's notification in here. You can see these are the replies, comments, and advertisements. And in here, another thing that we have is these navigations bar. So if you simply tap on this first one, now you can share your location with your friends if you want to. So in here, if you tap on this one, these are the inbox. So here you can chat with any of your friends. And if you tap on this option right here, now you'll be able to view the stories of people on Snapchat. Here you can see under the discover option, we have a lot of different content too. If you want to watch content on your Snapchat, you can also do that. Here you can see these are the content. You can simply swipe to left just like this in order to watch another one, and like that you'll be able to watch videos on Snapchat. In here, for the last one, we have this particular icon right here. If you tap on that one, you can now see the spotlight. So it's basically the same thing, but in here you can now scroll down just like this, and like that you can now like or put their videos to favorite. You can follow the creators, you can repost it, share it, and do things like that. If you ever want to create your own spotlight, you can tap on this icon right here, and in here you can now create your own spotlight. So yeah, that's it. These are some step-by-step process on how to use Snapchat for the first time.